Good morning, traders. Today is Wednesday, December 14th. This video is going to combine a few of the trading methods that we offer here at DayTradeToWin, the Atlas line, the roadmap, the Trade Scalper. Some of you may have just one of the methods. Some of you may have all of the methods, example, the mentorship traders. So this is going to be a good review. Now, if you like these videos, if you find them informative, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I think we have a lot of great content, especially for price action traders. And before we begin, as usual, I always recommend being very careful when trading. Please talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with any type of trading that you do. Futures, stocks, Forex, and so on. So let me expand here the chart with the roadmap, which are those shaded areas that you see, great for filtering and great for when there's a lot of volatility, a continuation. I also have the Atlas line, which is that blue line, strength trades, pullback trades, bounce trades. So we're going to, at this point, look for a long opportunity. There's the P's there for the pullback. The roadmap is not interfering.
Order filled.
So let me go ahead and show you an example to enter long, and right away we have a trade scalper signal. This happens to be a long signal on the trade scalper. So there are three things here, and this is great. When we have three of the methods indicating to be a buyer, I think that's all we need. We don't need much more than this. I have my stop, I have my target, which I'm going to place here in just a moment, and so I'm really making sure that the entries are based on the methods themselves. The stops and the targets are typically based on the ATR, the average true range. And we also have another type of stop called a time-based stop, or a time element, or number of bars. So this could be a little bit different for some traders, especially if you're using a different type of chart.
Order submitted.
But we're using a time chart, and I always think that 4 or 5, maybe 6 at the most, that would be the most amount of candles I want to be in the trade until, or I need to make that decision to get out. So 4 or 5 bars at the most, and you're out of the trade. So everything is telling me long, especially that double wick on the trade scalper.
Order filled.
And that was faster than expected, maybe a minute or so. So we have the Atlas line telling us a pullback trade with the P's and the S's. We have the double wick, which is the trade scalper, and we have the roadmap, which is nothing is interfering whatsoever. So there were three things here as an example to tell me long. We don't use moving averages, we don't use stochastics, we don't use momentum, and we don't use MACDs. We don't use any of those conventional indicators. All we use is price action trading. The software is all based off of price action. If you'd like to join the accelerated mentorship class, visit DayTradeToWin.com. We have a holiday special now going on. You can save yourself some money, and you can go ahead and give us a call or email us. And there's another long there, right there on the trade scalper, another long signal to go long. I'm not going to take that. Now, I place these orders manually, the target and the stop. So you see that stop there. Remember to cancel your stops if you do trade manually instead of using the automated ATM strategy. That way you're not having to force yourself to get short unnecessarily, because now this sell stop is going to convert into a new order. So remember to cancel your stops if you're trading manually. My name is John Paul. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see everyone at the next class, next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.